Okay, today's ingredients include croissants that I bought from Costco. I got some French brioches, mini French brioches from Costco. I got bacon, and I have turkey bacon that I got from Costco. I have some brown sugar. I have 2 cans of biscuits and 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. In the back, I have some bite-sized creamers, a bag. I did 2 bags of bite-sized creamers I got from Costco. I have 21 eggs. I have some fruit. I have 2 containers of strawberries and 2 containers of the green grapes that I got from Costco. I have 1 pack of evergreen hot links sausage. I have 1 pack of kielbasa. I have 1 onion. I have some single craft American cheese. I have a box of grits, a small box. I have 20 cut up baby bella mushrooms. I have a half an onion in the small container, and I have 6 of the bell peppers, the yellow, green, and red cut up. And then I have a pack of the yellow, orange, and red bell peppers. And then I already said 1 onion. And that is our ingredients for today, and some butter. Hello, and welcome back to T's Kitchen, where I teach you how to cook large meals for events and gatherings, and for your family, birthday parties, home, gatherings. So look, you saw the ingredients in the, I showed you the ingredients already in the beginning. So what I wanted to show you was these bite-sized creamers that I got from Costco, 2 bags, and some of them are big, some of them are little. So with the big one, I wanted to show you, like, all of these potatoes, I just cut them in half. So with the big one, I cut it in half, and see how big? That's too big of a bite-sized piece. So I turned it sideways and cut the big ones in half again. Here go a big one of the red potatoes. So I cut that in half, cut it in half again. Small ones, just cut it in half. Look at that. Small one, just cut it in half. Boom. So we're going to put those in there. Now for the creminis, the baby, here they are, baby bella mushrooms. These are the same thing. You can get creminis, you can get portobello mushrooms. But anyways, I take this off. I tell you, I always take the stem off. You don't have to, but I do. Throw that in my garbage bowl. I already wiped them off with a damp towel to clean them. Don't run them under cold. Don't run them under water. And then I just cut it like that. And when it's that last little piece, I cut it like that. So that's going to go over here with these. These are for the, what's going to be for the grits. So now I wanted to show you how I cut the evergreens and the kielbasa. All I did was take it. I noticed the rolling side. You don't have to do the rolling side if you don't want to. You can cut it like this, but I got control of it. So I'm gonna go down this way first, and it's cut down the middle. See, just like that. And that's how I did them. And so what we're gonna do? Oh, and then these are the potatoes that I'm going to roast. I already got bell peppers and onions cut up in there. See those colorful bell peppers, which you can use all green. Normally I do, but since I was getting those from Costco and they didn't have the green ones, that's what I got. Now I used the whole pack of margarine. You can use, what do you call it? Oil, just some oil, or you can use, whatever kind of olive oil, whatever you want. So look, I'm going to end up mixing this all in. Now remember, this is 2 packs. That's why I have all that margarine. And so I shouldn't have touched that because that grease got on my hand, the oil got on my hands from the butter. So these are my seasonings, which you know what they are. So I'm going to take a few handfuls. Here go 1. Look, there go 2. This is 2 bags. Here go 3. 3 whole handfuls. And then, because I want a little color, I'm going to sprinkle some smoked paprika in this. You don't have to use this at all. And then I'm going to mix this up to get that seasoning all over these potatoes. Now, I don't know if you saw it in the beginning when you saw the potatoes, but I already cut these up last night, and I put them in freezer bags with water. Do them just like you would do a regular white potato. And you don't want it to go brown on you. So that's why you would put some water in the freezer bag. I had 2 bags. So look, that's that. So now we're going to take this over. We're cooking a big breakfast buffet. So I'm showing you what to start with. If you don't know what to start with to make your buffet for guests, you always start with the thing that takes the longest to cook. So we're going to start with these roasted potatoes. And I'm going to fluff them up a little bit so that they don't steam. That's why I have my oven on 400 degrees. I'm going to take these gloves off. And then we're going to get this into the oven. And I'm going to show you these meats. My bacon and my turkey bacon. Because you want to get your potatoes going. And then you also want to start your meats. Because you can always keep the meats on low in the oven to keep them warm. So I'm going to go ahead and get these in the oven. Reg, do I have the wrong one? I do. It's supposed to be down here. So let me get these in the oven. And then we're going to, let me do bake. Turn that on 400. I should have had that bottom one already on, but we're going to get it started anyway. So now our meats. I got my bacon on this sheet with the a pan for the drippings to go under. And this is going to be candied bacon as far as the turkey meat. You could candy your regular bacon if you like, but I like it better on the turkey bacon. And this is that bacon I got from Costco. So what I'm going to do is, and remember, we want to start, matter of fact, I can get this bacon in the oven because it's ready to go. And the oven is already heated up. So I'm going to put this bacon already in, and it's on 400 degrees. And then I'm going to start candying up this bacon. And as far as that bacon I just put in there, since we're doing more bacon, remember I have 3 packs. So that's 1 pack. Look at that. Brown sugar. Right on top of the bacon. This is a turkey bacon, remember? So we're going to brown sugar it up. And it's good. This is good. It's good. Pretty much any turkey bacon, whatever kind you like. I've tried it both ways with the regular bacon and with the turkey, and I seem to like it better on the turkey. And make sure you get enough brown sugar on here, because if you don't, it's just not the same. It's not really candied, Me and my daughter TT, we really love the turkey bacon. We the ones, so I'm getting all this sugar on here, and we gonna candy up all the rest of the bacon. So I'm going to get this batch on in the oven. Excuse me, Lucky. How did you get in here? So we're going to put this in here and let that get to cooking on 400 degrees. Now, I got my skillet over here. I'm going to put that on. Excuse me, look. Excuse me, Reg. I'm going to put a little olive oil. Mine seems to not want to come out too fast. I don't need that much anyway, because what I'm doing, I'm still working on my meats. So this is my kielbasa and my hot links. So I'm going to start. I like to do the hot links on this side. So let's start it on this side so that end, and we don't want to cook them on too high of a heat. And if you don't want to fry these, just boil them and cut them in half. Matter of fact, if you boil it first, it could boil some of that salt out of it and some of that heat out of it. And this is all kielbasa. I would have done 2 packs of kielbasa, but when I looked, I thought I had 2 packs and I didn't. So anyways, we're going to keep, let me dry off my hands, I'm sorry. We're going to keep cooking up this meats. As you can see over there, you can show them, Reg, that I still have these packs of meats that I have to do. So we're going to cook it all up. And this is for our grits. These are grits ingredients. I'm going to show you what kind of grits I'm doing. They're not cheesy grits or anything like that. It's just something that I made up, and it's really delicious. And I wanted to share that with you all. So listen, we'll be right back. Okay, so listen. We got our roasted potatoes done. They're just warm. I took them out, but you can cover yours with foil until your gathering starts. Remember, I did these first. Then I went on to my meats. These are my bacon, my kielbasa, and my hot links over here. And over here is my candied turkey bacon. And then after that was done, then I went on to my biscuits and my cinnamon rolls. So now, while I was finishing up my cinnamon rolls and my biscuits, I put the water on for the grits. And I started the water to cooking, and I went ahead and fried up this mixture, which is that those 6 little bell peppers and the half an onion and that those portobello mushroom, baby bella mushrooms. So anyways, what's going on here is got some butter in there. I put 3 slices of that American cheese in here. And now I'm going to add in this mixture. And as you can see, since the grits are done, I got my eggs on. Your eggs is always the last thing that you want to cook. There I go. I'm hitting it with a plastic. Hitting my pan. So anyway, show them that, Reg. And what I'm going to do is stir this in. These grits are really good. And I put my seasonings, these seasonings, you know, my mixed seasonings. I seasoned up the bell peppers and the mushrooms and the onions with this. And then I'm going to taste my grits and see if I need any more salt. But I didn't want to salt it. I did salt the water a little bit. But I didn't want to salt these grits because I need to see what my seasoning is like with those vegetables I had. So let me get a fork, and I'm going to taste this. I want to taste it with some vegetables. Oh, multitasking. Gotta do my eggs. That's fine. Doesn't need anything. That's perfect. And you can do plain grits. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. I just made that up one day. And my oldest daughter, Chris, really liked it. So I made a whole bunch so she could take some. Use it for breakfast on the fly. But anyways, you know, I'm going to finish cooking up these eggs. Everything is done. I even got my little brioche. See those? I put them in the oven for 6 minutes. I didn't make a lot of them because I have a feeling only my youngest daughter and I are going to be the ones to eat it. So anyways, we're going to plate all this up, set up our buffet, and we'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to this big spread, this breakfast spread. Look, we have the croissants, we have the cinnamon rolls, we have the little brioches, We have our biscuits. We have our vegetable grits. We have our candied bacon right there. We have our regular bacon right here. That's also turkey bacon. We got our roasted potatoes, the creamers. And then we have our hot links and our kielbasa right there. We got these beautiful eggs. And then look, we got some what do you call it? I almost said vegetables.
Grapes.
Grapes. Look, this food is good. I know I always say that. I'm just letting you know it's good. Try it. Make it. Woo, let it do what it do. Hold on. Look, I'm not gonna keep you guys long because it's the 4th of, no, it's the 4th of July.
It's October.
It's Halloween.
Yeah.
And I got people to stare. That's messed up. I got people that no, I'm not. I'm gonna be nice. Give me some eggs. I got me a whole plate. Well, I don't, but I got enough. Smoking and grilling. I've been messing his name up in my other videos, so I wanted to get it right. It's smoking and grilling. Check him out. But anyways, all right, look, you guys, I'm not gonna, like I said, I can't keep you because I gotta get ready for these kitties. You gotta, want to be going around, want to get some safe candy and all, but I have to always have my signature drink. And I bet some of y'all believe I have alcohol in here. No bueno. And you know what? I wish I did like wine, because I'd be right on here sipping it. I sure would. Anyways, lemonade. That cool, refreshing drink. Wow. Fruit punch and lemonade. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful spread. Listen, enjoy. I pray that it helped you out to do your next event. Remembering what to start with. Do it in stages. Take your time. Do the thing that takes the longest to cook first. Do the next thing that takes the longest to cook or the most to cook. And on and so forth. And your eggs and your grits are going to be towards the end. Grits before the eggs. Eggs are last. Okay. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment. Let me know what kind of breakfast bar are you going to do? Breakfast, whatever you call this. I should have did a charcuterie. That's what my friend told me today. At a charcuterie. But anyways, I'll see you next time. God bless you and bye-bye.